Welcome to Math 1342, Statistics. Here on the home page, you'll find all the information you need to complete this course. By clicking on the Content button up here at the top, it'll take you to the table of contents, and you'll start here. Click on the syllabus, and let's go through this brief tutorial. I'm the professor for this course, and my name is Shannon Simon. This is a winter mini and must be completed before January 6th. For this course, you will need the following materials. You will need a MyMathLab access code. MyMathLab will provide you with access to the homework that must be completed for this course. It will also provide you with an ebook that you can use to help supplement my video tutorials. You also need to get hold of a TI-84 calculator. A lot of the statistical procedures we do will be done using the TI-84. Video tutorials will be posted using the TI-84 calculator. This course is composed of the following assignment. There will be tests, 3 major exams plus a comprehensive final. Each exam is based around chapters. Each chapter will have a quiz associated with it. These quizzes are called topic quizzes, and the topic quizzes must be completed before the test will become available. For test 1, you will take topic quizzes over chapters 1, 2, and 3. For test 2, chapters 5, 6, and 7, and for test 3, chapters 8, 9, and 10. Each topic quiz will cover units for each chapter. There are a total of 9 topic quizzes. Ideally, these quizzes should be used as gauges on how you perform towards the test. The questions are representative of what kind of questions and concepts you will see on each unit test. Topic quizzes for each unit should be taken before you take the actual test. Quizzes are 5 to 12 questions, and there is a time limit of 2 hours for each quiz. Before taking the topic quizzes, you should do the homework first. Homework will be assigned for each section on MyMathLab. Due dates for all assignments will be January 4, 2019. They will not be extended past this time. All times for homeworks are Central Standard Time and must be completed by midnight. Ideally, you should do homework, then topic quizzes, and then the tests. There are 3 exams, and all exams must be taken in a proctored supervised testing center. Students will not take tests unsupervised under any circumstances. Students living in the greater Houston area are encouraged to take their exams in one of the testing centers at the colleges and centers of the Lone Star College system. Out-of-town students must locate a testing center at a college or university near their locations and must get instructor approval. The grade determination for this class is as follows. Tests 1, 2, and 3 are all 15%. The final exam is also 15%. Homework that is done in MyMathLab is worth 20%, and the topic quizzes that unlock each test are worth 20% as well. Here's a brief overview of what is completed in each topic, and each test. Notice the dates and everything that must be completed before a test will be unlocked and before the final exam will be unlocked as well. The final exam must be taken before January 6, 2019 at midnight.